Okay, we're back for day 9 of the 28-day challenge. Today I've set up a wet palette. This is on my plate, and I've got a wet piece of 2-ply paper towel here and some parchment paper. And this is supposed to help keep the paint from drying out. There are tons of videos about it. I'm going to give it a try. My paints seem like they're drying out super, super fast, so I kind of wanted to try something a little different. Okay, so we're going to start off with our China marker here. And I think I just want to do, I've got another technique that I'm going to show off here in a second that I haven't tried. So this will be a fun experiment with that. I'm going to give it away. You have to wait a minute. Get some bold, dark marks through here. I'm envisioning sort of a, I don't know, my typical landscapey scenes. We'll see what we come up with. Okay, let's start off with some ultramarine. I think I want this to be pretty minimalistic today. I say that every time, and then it doesn't work out. Okay, let's get some more water here. It's a little bit more of that ultramarine mixed with white. You can see that the China marker is not moving, which is great. I'm going to leave it probably like this for now. And then I want to try this other technique. So the lovely lady over at Painted Chocolate, I'll leave that link above over here. Piece of sandpaper, watercolor pencil. All she did was rub this. It's almost like Brusho. Just put some of that down. I don't know how much I put down though. And then she took a spray bottle and sprayed it. Now she took a little bit, she rubbed it in with her finger. I'm going to dab it in here with a paintbrush. And you can see that we've got a bunch of little, it's like Brusho, really. Except I made a huge mess up here. Not good. Okay, so now we know we have to get my paper towel out. Shield our paper because we're going to get little black marks, but I'm okay with it. I think it's fine. Yeah, this is kind of cool. I kind of really like that. So that was watercolor pencil. I'm going to add a bit more, I think, just through here. Let's see what happens if we get it a little wet first. Just put some water down here first and see what happens if we come back in with the pencil and just sort of, I mean, it's really like Brusho. I'm not sure what Brusho is. I've never tried it, but that's really cool. Okay, we're gonna let that dry. And then let's come in with, I think maybe some ochre through here. I'm liking this palette too. This is really cool. It's a little different. You can see that it's a little, it's not as kind of bubbling up a little bit, but I don't hate that. This is just yellow ochre and white. Oh, I love that. I just love that so much. It's so cool. Thank you, Painted Chocolate. Let's see. Let's come in with a color shaper a bit. Maybe bring this down and make some textures through here. I think we're going to pause for a second and spray this with a hairdryer. Okay, so I've mixed up a little bit of, let's see what I do, yellow and black. I want a smaller brush for this, I think. I've got this really fun green. I don't want to cover up all of what we just did because I really like those marks. Like, I think they're really cool. What do you guys think? Fun way to like add in a bit of texture into the landscape a little bit. I like these, inspired by these almost like marshland kind of tones. I think we need some, what happens if we add just a little bit of burnt sienna to that green? Should give us like a little bit more of a red brownish tone. Okay, we got something going on here. I like it. Maybe a little bit more. Oh God, we're already at 4 minutes. And I'm gonna add some pastels to this as well. Ooh, I kind of like that mark. Okay. We'll pause and let this dry, and then we'll come back and add in some more marks. Okay, so let's get started with some pastels. Add in some yellow ochres. I'm gonna bring a little bit of this blue down in here too. I like the way that looked yesterday, just a little bit. Of course, we need some up here. Checking my fingers to make sure there's no yellow. Let's add a bit of white. I think I did have a bit of yellow on there. Oh well. What are you gonna do? I kind of like that, like how. I should really just start with the blue. That way I don't get any yellow in there. One might say that would be a good idea. Whatever. 2 minutes. Oh my God. Okay. Let's add in a bit more green. Loving the brusho marks. I'm really trying not to cover them up. I don't want to be too precious with it though. I think we need some color up here. I sort of like that brown mark I put through there too. Very happy with this. I think we need some lines. Let's come in with our, this is oil pastel on paper, on belly paper. So I'm just adding in some marks here with my skewer. I'm not really showing up that much, but I think I want one like some through here, maybe some through here. just to kind of give some difference. Okay, let's add some pops of this pinky color, this peachy color. Kind of give us some marks through here. Okay, I'm gonna add some black marks, I think. Those of you who have visited the channel before know I love my black marks. And again, this is just oil pastel on deli paper. Just to kind of give us some different marks. I don't think I want some of this red, I think. Sort of follow the edge of that a little bit. I think I'm almost done. Okay. Mostly done. I just want some more of that yellow in there. Okay. I feel like that timer gets shorter every time we do this. Like it just seems to, the time just flies by. All right, I think we're done. Let's look at it with a mat. Okay, so here we are. Brusho technique, or the sandpaper watercolor pencil technique, fabulous. Love it. I know I covered up a lot of it, but you can see just a little bit through here. I could probably add just a little bit more down here, but I kind of like that sort of white area we got going on here. It might be kind of fun to add a little bit more through here with that technique, like maybe just a little bit of texture going on up there, but I don't want too much of it, but I think it's really subtle through here. And I really like that. I like the bold black marks of the sky, I like the lines we put in, and the mix of the gouache. And this one feels a little bit more beachy to me, like maybe this is the beach and the dunes, and then there's like either sky or water out there. It has a lot of energy, it has a lot of flow. I like how things are kind of moving. Yeah, really happy. Definitely going to be using this technique again. I think it looks really cool. Let me bring you in for just a little bit more of a close-up. So here you can really see what that brusho did, and this this section down here is really, really cool. Actually, I like the whole thing. I'm very happy. Okay, so that's all I've got for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click over here to see the last video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below, and I will see you in the next one for day 10. Thanks so much. Bye.